Did you know that a dead car battery or a flat tire is one of the top reasons drivers get stranded on the side of the road? Imagine having a single device that can jumpstart your car, inflate your tires, charge your devices, and even light up your way in an emergency, all without juggling multiple tools. Today, we're diving into the best portable lithium jump starters on the market, breaking down 6 top options to see which one truly deserves a spot in your car or emergency kit. We'll compare power, convenience, portability, and extra features so you can make the smartest choice for your driving needs. Stick around because some of these units are absolute game changers, and I'll also ask your thoughts along the way. Do you value raw power or multifunction convenience? Let's get into it. Number 6. NOBIWA Jump Starter with Air Compressor. 3 times faster inflation. 150 pounds per square inch portable tire pump for car tires. Ever been stuck on the side of the road, juggling a flat tire and a dead battery, wishing one device could handle it all? That's exactly where the NOBIWA Jump Starter with Air Compressor shines, and it's built to do just that. This all-in-one powerhouse combines a 150 psi air compressor, a jump starter capable of reviving most 12-volt engines up to 8.0-liter gas and 5.0-liter diesel, an LED light with multiple modes including SOS and USB power outputs for charging devices, all in a portable, cordless package designed for emergencies. The 3 times faster inflation promises quicker tire fills, about 10 minutes for a mid-sized tire, though real-world conditions vary depending on starting pressure and tire size. Safety is a priority here, with automatic shutoff when the preset pressure is reached and protections against overcurrent, short-circuiting, and reverse polarity. Users appreciate the intuitive digital interface with PSI/bar/KPA readouts, which takes guesswork out of inflating tires. Real-life performance shows that jump starts reliable for occasional use, and the compressor works well for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment, making it more versatile than a basic standalone inflator. Compared with higher-end dedicated compressors, the NOBIWA may inflate a little slower under continuous heavy use, and repeated jump starts or long inflations can drain the battery faster, but the trade-off is the convenience of a single tool replacing multiple gadgets. In comparison to competitors like NOCO or Anker, this unit excels in multifunction value, making it ideal for everyday drivers and weekend adventurers who prioritize compactness and versatility over ultimate speed or heavy-duty capacity. What do you think about having everything in one unit? Let me know in the comments. Overall, it's a practical choice for anyone who wants a simplified, all-in-one emergency kit. Number 5. NOCO Boost GB150 3000 amps UltraSafe Jump Starter. Looking for a jump starter that can handle practically anything you throw at it? The NOCO Boost GB150 is a beast in a compact package, delivering 3000 amps of peak current to jumpstart gas engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 7.0 liters. That's massive power for cars, SUVs, trucks, boats, or RVs. Beyond raw strength, it's loaded with UltraSafe technology, including spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, so even beginners can use it confidently without worrying about accidents. It also doubles as a portable power bank with USB-C and USB-A outputs to charge devices. And the 500-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes adds emergency visibility, making it a true multi-purpose lifesaver. Users report it reliably starts large engines even in cold weather, and the rugged IP65-rated, water-resistant housing ensures it survives roadside adventures. Compared to more budget-friendly jump starters or mid-range 2000 to 2500 amps units, the GB150 offers serious extra capacity, making it ideal for larger vehicles that often defeat smaller jump packs. The trade-offs are weight, around 7.5 pounds, and a higher price point. Plus, it lacks an integrated air compressor like multifunction rivals such as NOBIWA or Woowind. But if your priority is high jumpstart power, durability, and safety, this is hard to beat. In real-life use, it inspires confidence for drivers of big vehicles or anyone who wants a reliable, professional-grade booster pack. Do you prefer ultimate power or multifunction convenience? Drop your thoughts below. Number 4. Woowind Jump Starter with Air Compressor 3-in-1 Car Battery Booster. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, all-in-one solution, the Woowind 3-in-1 is a compelling choice that balances portability, versatility, and affordability. Combining a 500-amp start/1000-amp peak jump starter for gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 2.5 liters, a 150 psi tire inflator with automatic shutoff and real-time pressure display, and a 65-watt USB-C power bank for phones, tablets, and even laptops, this compact unit packs a lot into a small footprint. Its LED flashlight adds emergency illumination with steady, strobe, and SOS modes, and safety features like over/under voltage, reverse polarity, over temperature, and short circuit protection give peace of mind. Compared to high-end combos like Wolfbox 3000 amps, the Woowind is lighter and more budget-oriented, but it doesn't support larger diesel engines or extremely rapid inflation that heavy-duty models provide. Its intuitive display and auto shutoff make inflating tires simple, while the power bank and LED light enhance daily utility beyond emergencies. For casual drivers, commuters, and weekend adventurers who want a reliable, multifunction device without a premium price, this is a strong contender. Would you trade a little power for affordability and compact size? Comment below with your choice. Number 3. GOOLOO, a 3-jump starter with air compressor. The GOOLOO A3 is another all-in-one powerhouse, offering a 3,000 amps peak jump starter capable of handling gasoline engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters. A 150 pounds per square inch air compressor with auto shutoff and 5 inflation modes, and USB power outputs with an LED flashlight for emergencies. Its 10 protection battery management system safeguards against short circuits, reverse polarity, overcurrent, overheating, and overcharge, giving novice and experienced users peace of mind. In practice, it delivers strong jumpstart performance, quick tire inflation, and reliable device charging, though its bulk and weight are noticeable compared to minimalist jump packs. Compared with competitors like Woowind, the A3 offers higher peak power and more engine compatibility, and its digital display and multiple inflation modes make it versatile for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. It's ideal for commuters, road trippers, and anyone who wants comprehensive roadside support in a single package. How important is maximum versatility versus compact size to you? Share in the comments. Overall, the GOOLOO A3 strikes a strong balance of multifunctionality, safety, and value. Number 2. Kefkafl 4000 amps Jump Starter with Air Compressor. For drivers who want raw power alongside multifunction convenience, the Kefkafl 4000A stands out. With a peak 4,000 ampere output capable of jump-starting gas and diesel engines up to 10 liters, this unit is ideal for trucks, heavy SUVs, and larger vehicles. It includes a 150 psi air compressor with digital display, multiple adapters, and automatic shutoff, along with USB ports and LED lighting for emergencies or device charging. Built with 10-layer safety protections, it balances rugged durability with portability, though it's heavier than smaller units. Compared with similar high-output units like the Wolfbox 4000A, it's slightly more budget-oriented, offering great multifunction value for everyday drivers and light truck owners while sacrificing some premium fast charging performance. In real-world scenarios, It provides first crank reliability, easy-to-read displays, and intuitive operation, though repeated heavy use can drain the battery faster. Would you go for maximum engine coverage or a lighter, smaller device? Let me know your thoughts. Overall, it's a top pick for anyone prioritizing high jumpstart power with multi-function capability. Number 1. Z8 Jump Starter with Air Compressor, 4,000 amps portable car battery booster. Finally, the Z8 Jump Starter is a top-tier all-in-one solution, combining a 4,000 ampere peak jump starter, 150 psi air compressor with auto shutoff and digital readout, USB/USB-C charging ports, and LED emergency lighting. It supports engines up to approximately 9.0 liters gas and approximately 6.5 liters diesel, covering to approximately 9.0 liters gas and approximately 6.5 liters diesel, covering most sedans, SUVs, and light trucks, making it more powerful than typical 2,000 to 3,000 A combos. Its integrated air compressor lets you inflate tires without separate pumps, while the LED flashlight and USB outputs extend utility beyond emergencies. Build quality focuses on durability and safety with protections against reverse polarity, overcurrent, and short circuits. Compared with lower-powered combos, the Z8 is heavier but offers more capability and higher pressure for tires. It's perfect for everyday drivers, road trippers, and anyone who wants a complete, reliable roadside kit. For those focused solely on jump-starting massive trucks or rapid inflation, specialized tools may be better. But for multifunction convenience with serious power, the Z8 shines. Would you choose the Z8 for its power or a smaller, lighter option? Comment below. All these jump starters offer unique advantages, from compact, budget-friendly units like Woowind to powerhouse options like Kefkafl and Z8. Which one would you pick for your car or emergency kit? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more reviews like this. All the links are in the description.